Hi guys, I hope you're all doing very well. Today let's do a get ready with me. I want to talk to you guys while I do my makeup. And I want to do a green makeup look today to fit with my new green top I bought. This is so cute and I really love the color of it. I look very tanned right now. I was out playing football up until now and just came home, took a shower, and I want to film a video and talk to you guys. It's been very sunny lately, the weather is really good, the temperature is very warm, it feels like spring, early summer already. So me and my friends have been going out a lot. I love going out with my friends, I love going to places, hang out with them, do stuff together, try out stuff together, but sometimes, you know, the social battery gets empty. Not like I'm really tired or exhausted, but you know, just that kind of feeling where you're in a low energy mood and you don't want to do anything, you just want to be alone. I am an extroverted person, I like to hang out with people. I also have a lot of hobbies and lots of times I have a sudden urge to do something. Sudden urge, is that word? That English word? Do you guys know what bilingual is? Bilingual, you know, when you speak two languages and you forgot vocabularies in both of them. And when you think of words, you want to speak out, but you can't remember what you impulse. I have sudden impulses to do stuff, to try stuff. Like sometimes I want to read a book, sometimes I want to draw stuff, sometimes I watch a YouTube video and I got inspired to do something. Sometimes I want to play basketball, sometimes I want to go ice skate, sometimes I want to do this and do that. And just like I have lots of sudden impulses, and I have lots of hobbies, and I just want to do a lot of stuff, but I don't have that much time to do that much stuff. You guys know what I mean? And lately I've been wanting to sit in my room to read a book, writing my journal, stick colorful stickers on my journal that I saw on social media. I guess it's just a temporary phase. I was never someone who wants to sit in my room to writing a journal and read a book, but now I am, for now. And today I want to do a video where I talk to you guys, and specifically I want to talk about social media and the impacts on our mental health and insecurities and such. I've been wanting to do this for a while but haven't found the time to do it, so today I'm very excited to finally get to talk about this topic. I want to find the right word for what I want to do. It's not like I want to provide guidance, although a little bit I want to do that, but I feel like it's such a serious word. It's not like I want to bring awareness, although there's a lot of younger audiences, people who are younger than me watching my videos. And it's just things I want to talk to you guys about. It's more like a discussion. I would like to hear you guys' input on what I'm about to say and your thoughts and stuff. You will know what I mean when I get started with it. Using a little bit of concealer. So internet, social media, all the big platforms, instant messaging and all that, it's pretty new for us. It's all new in our generation. It's a pretty big thing. I think it's very convenient and it's very cool. Imagine just being able to go on YouTube, Instagram, any of the platforms, and you get to see a random person from the other side of the world. You get to see their daily lives, you get to see their lifestyle, the stuff they cook, the stuff they do, and what their life is like. You want to cook something, you can search up a recipe and you can immediately see how to cook this at home by yourself. You get to see high quality videos, images, content from people from around the world, from places from around the world. And it's just really a privilege to be living in a time where technology is so advanced. Our parents didn't go through a time like this where they can just 1 second snip and they can find high quality content from anything they want to know about. But there's also a lot of negativity and side effects that come with it, that comes from looking at content and looking at other people's lives. It's a pretty wide topic, there's so much you can talk about. I would love to hear your guys' thoughts and your guys' input on things, and we gotta start somewhere. One of the biggest social media platforms is Instagram. You get to see posts daily from your favorite influencers, bloggers, celebrities, all kinds of people from around the world posting about their life, their moments, and things they do, things they cook, things they made. Taking some cream blush. I think Instagram is a really cool platform. You get to see so much, learn so much, and explore so much. But I think it also really affects the younger generation's mental health. Like, it's so easy to get into a negative mood from it. Most people are just showing off on Instagram and on social media. They post their most glamorous looks, the best part about their days, the most exciting things in their life, the most expensive things they bought, and so on. And I think everyone will perceive, comprehend, and absorb things and content differently. And I think a lot of young girls out there, let's say a 14-year-old girl, have a mentality that is easily affected and impacted by social media content. I'm going to start with eyeshadow. Going into the greens, I'm going to mix this two. I'm going to put the green on the inner corner here. As you scroll through social media, you're going to see lots of successful, attractive influencers, bloggers, celebrities posting about their glamorous moments and the exciting parts of their lives. It seems really cool and exciting, but also brings out the bad side of people. If you look at through their posts comments, there's a lot of people who got miserable, who got toxic because of the social media content that they're absorbing on a daily basis. People get jealous, people get self-conscious, people start to compare themselves with other people, and this makes people miserable, and sometimes they get angry, they get really sad, they can get depressed. There's so much negativity that you can get from social media on your mental health. Everything is good until it gets into people's head, it gets to the extreme side, it gets to the bad side of people. There's one side of the extreme where people get really hateful and jealous and bash it onto other people, like that bitch probably had plastic surgery. All this money and still no style. Are you pregnant? You're fat and ugly. Why do you have such a big following? I want to put some on my lower lash line. And then you have the other side of the extreme where people get miserable and like bring things onto themselves. They compare themselves to other people. I wish I looked like her. I wish I lived her life. I wish I could have all the things she have. And take this really soft green shimmer. I think this is their Super Shock formula from Colourpop. Both sides of the extreme is not good, it's really bad for you. And then there's people who say, why can't you be happy for other people? Why can't you be happy for people who are doing well? Of course you can, but it's not easy on a long term, especially for people who are not in a good mental health state or not living in a very happy condition. Imagine a girl who wants to spread positivity. She is very supportive and cheerful, and she tells everyone under their posts, you look stunning, you look beautiful, you're slaying, that looks really fun, hope you have fun, and all that. But deep inside, she doesn't feel that same way because she's not having an exciting life, she's not looking glamorous like she wants to, and slowly it's draining her because no one responds to her, no one gives her the same positive feedback. She wants to be happy for people, she wants to support people, but deep inside she wishes she could live a better life, she wants to live their lives, she wants to also experience those glamorous moments. People who have a vulnerable mind like a young teenage girl could be really affected by social media and slowly lose a healthy balance in her mindset, and she can become one side of the extreme that really hates on people and leaves bad comments and spread hate onto other people, or the kind that spreads onto hate herself, becomes miserable, wishing she lived a different life, wishing she looked differently, lived differently, had different things. It's very dangerous, and if you guys ever feel like you're leaning towards one of the extreme sides, and if you feel like it's not good for your mental health, you're not doing well, there's some negativity in your head, I want you guys to take a break from social media, just really build a good relationship with yourself. That's very important for people in our generation, I feel like, because social media becomes such a big thing. You're constantly seeing other people's lives, and if you really start to compare and, you know, becoming one of the ones leaning towards one side of the extreme, it's really bad for you. I'm terrible at doing eyeliner on camera. I get performance anxiety. Please allow me to skip it. This is the eyeliner. It's not exactly matching, but that's alright. I want to add a little bit of this light beige highlighter. It's so beautiful on this part, on the inner corners and here. I don't often comment under people's posts, and I don't follow a lot of people. There are some people I really love, either celebrities or influencers. I love people who seem genuine, who seem nice, who seem humble, and that's why it brings me to tears when you guys call me genuine. It makes me really happy when people say that, and when people just compliment me, and like it makes my It makes my day brighter, and I'm really happy that you guys see me that way. I don't comment often, but I do post comments sometimes complimenting people's makeup looks, telling them that I love the video and stuff like this. I never post bad comments to people. I want to add a little bit of diamond bomb over my eyes. I would say I have a pretty good relationship with myself. I have insecurities too. I wish my face was smaller. I wish my neck was longer. I wish I had a smaller cheek. I wish my eyelid space was bigger. I wish my upper lip was bigger. I wish my nose was smaller, etc. All that. Everyone have insecurities. But if you ask me if I want to swap my face with someone else, like, you guys know I love Blackpink, but if you ask me, I want to swap my face with Blackpink, Jennie, Lisa. I love them, I absolutely love them, and I think they're absolutely beautiful. But now I don't want to swap my face with them. I feel pretty comfortable in my own skin. I dislike some features I have, but I wouldn't go through surgery to completely alter it. I wouldn't switch my face with someone else. I guess I'm not that insecure about them then. I think over the years I have built up a good mindset about myself. Back then I really didn't like my eye shape, I really didn't like my nose, I didn't like the two freckles that I suddenly got on my upper lip, and now I think they're iconic and they make me different. When I look through social media, I don't get jealous, I don't get insecure, I don't wish I lived someone else's life, had someone else's platform, or like feeling very bad about myself or anything. And I think that's because I have built a good relationship with myself over the last years, and because I recognize other people's efforts and the work they put in. When I make a makeup video, I go sit over there on my bed. You guys recognize the frame. I do my makeup, I makeup video with it, and then I edit it and I upload it, and that's it. But when a full-time content creator film makeup videos, they really sit in their studio, bringing out all the products, unboxing all the new stuff they have to use in their videos. They film a makeup looks and they wipe it off and they do it over and over again. They will do 5 different makeup looks in a day, even more. It took them lots of time and efforts and work they've put in to get them there, and all the grindings they've done over the years to build up their platforms. So it's not easy being a content creator, a professional one, who even get to that point. So I'm not jealous about them. I don't wish bad stuff for them. I don't wish hate for them. If you want something or want to achieve something, you have to put in work for it, you have to put in efforts, and not going behind a keyboard and tell other people they don't deserve what they worked for. Putting on mascara. I'm just saying, if you look at a 1-minute reel about someone, you see their glamorous moment, you don't know all the work and efforts they put behind to get to where they are. You only see a small glimpse of their life that they want to show you, and you only get to see the content they create. You don't know about their friends, their family background, you don't know their conditions, what they did today, who they met today, what they ate today. You don't know the content creators you're watching personally, you know? You don't know about their lives, what they've went through, what they're going through. They don't affect your life, so how can people really get so mad and care so much that they spread hate and negativity under someone's posts, reaching out to people in DMs, sending death threats and all that? Or feel entitled to judge other people and decisions other people make? Feel entitled for people to change things because you don't like the way it is? Be kind and humble. That's just something I go by, because I understand that you're the main character, you're the protagonist of your own life. There'll be time for you to shine, there'll be time for you to write your stories, have moments dedicated to you. But you also need to be humble enough to be a kind audience to someone else's life, to someone else's show, someone else's story, someone else's moments, you know? Doing some contour, I really like the eye look. It's so refreshing and so just brings me a good mood when I look at the eye look and my new top. I really love the colors. So we talked a bit about social media and the negative impacts it does to our mental health and insecurities and stuff. I'm very lucky to have a good relationship with myself, that I don't draw into one side of the extremes, that I can look through content and know what to absorb, what to not, and how to take it. I can think for myself, keep a healthy balance, know what to care, what not to care, know what is fake and what is genuine. And with all that, we didn't even get to the money, financial part. Like when you see influencers talking about a product like it's a gift to humanity, you know that when it's a sponsored post, people are paid to create content to promote this brand and this product. But even if they are not sponsored and they are not handed money for making that video, still their reactions to products and the things they say could be biased. Creators didn't pay for the products they use in their videos. They get sent things for free. The products are gifted by the brand. The brand also invites them to dinners, to parties, to events. The brand also promotes their content on the brand's social media page. The brand also sponsoring them for making other videos. When you as a creator and this company have gifted you so much products, other gifts, promoted you on their social media page, giving you opportunities, inviting you to events, to dinners and all that. So even if you don't like the new product released by this brand, you didn't spend money to get it. It doesn't hurt your wallet. So would you really talk bad about this product on social media? Would you really tell your followers the truth about not liking this thing? You guys know what I mean? The brand gave you so much benefits. Would you really bite the hand that feed you? Influencers get benefits for influencing you. Social media seems so glamorous on the surface, but it's really a deep hole, and there's so much things that can really affect your mental health, that can impact you in so many ways. Using this lip gloss to finish off the look. I think I talked a lot in this video, my throat is feeling dry, but that's also what I want to shed light on. Young teenage girls who are already going through a lot, going through different phases, trying to find a good relationship with themselves, going through all these insecurities, don't have the immunity they need to see social media for what it is, to know what to absorb and what not, to know what's fake and what's genuine, to know what's important for you and what's not. So it's very dangerous for this kind of people to fall into one side of the extremes that we talked about. That's why I wanted to make this video and tell you guys all these things that I have in my head. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know about your thoughts on the things I talked about. I'd love to hear your opinions, and if you guys feel like you're leaning towards one of the sides, you're not doing well with your mental health, you can write a comment, tell me about your day, your life, something that's on your mind, something that you need to get off your chest, you know? Thank you guys so much for supporting me and watching my videos and liking me as a person. I'm very honored for all my audience and for all my followers. I hope you have a good day wherever you are. I'm about to eat dinner now. The sun is already setting. I filmed this video for a very long time already. I hope it's helpful for some of you. Anyways, I will see you next time. Bye!